Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're checking out the balcony right now of this one bedroom. This is a one bedroom model at the Drewery Place in Houston, Texas. So the Drewery Place in Houston, Texas. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, balcony. I mean, this is 20 feet of balcony. It's a pretty incredible space. And then let me just show off the Houston area over here and just how close you are to everything. So you've got some great views waiting for you. I mean, that's what it's all about when you're high rise. You want some great views, and man, you got it. You're elevated. You're seeing great views all around Houston. By the way, living here, you're also on the rail. So I don't know if you noticed it when it was going by, but the rail is going there for you. It's easy access, and the rail is what I prefer over the bus line. Definitely the rail. It's just easier and it's more sleek and quicker to get around, in my opinion. So anyway, but then you've got these great views over here anytime. Midtown is only 5 minutes from downtown. It's easy to get to downtown, so it's a great alternative to downtown. You just feel there's more trees. You're going to feel more, just more like you're in a neighborhood. So anyway, that's the downtown and balcony overview of the one bedroom at the Drewery Place. So now, hey, we're gonna go check out the bathroom and the bedroom. We're gonna do that in the next video, and we're gonna do that right now. If you have questions at any time of this very special one bedroom at the Drewery, text me. Just send me a text at the number below. I can't wait to hear from you, and I'll make sure you have a wonderful response from a human. That would be me. Okay, so let's go now to the bedroom and the bathroom.